Hello, and welcome to the third installment of how to sync Salesforce with QuickBooks for the purposes of syncing your Field Service Lightning work orders to QuickBooks invoices upon them being marked as complete. So as you can see, we're starting off this demonstration in Salesforce looking at a Field Service Lightning work order. And we're seeing some information about this work order that's currently in progress. First off, you see that we have products consumed logged against this work order. We also have information about the work order at a high level, including the account, that it's linked to Disney. And then you see information below around the costs regarding this work order, specifically those costs that the client will incur. You can see that we have a labor cost of about $500 and a product cost of about $50, which is the sum of the products linked to this work order. After we mark the status of this work order as complete, what you'll see is that we go through Zapier, and then from Zapier, we will be creating an invoice within our connected QuickBooks account. So let's give it a whirl. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to mark this work order as complete. You'll see that the work order gets updated to a completed status. I can then come in here and refresh, where I will see that there was a new task that was processed just a moment ago. And then coming into our invoices page within QuickBooks, I'll give that a quick refresh. And you'll see that here is a new invoice which was created. And opening up this invoice, you can see that we have passed in and creating an invoice with Disney marked as the customer. You see that we've passed in all the products associated to that work order, including a line item on the invoice for the labor cost, with the grand total coming to $550 after parts and labor. You can also see that we've passed in information regarding the work order number from Salesforce so that there's transparency between which invoice created, or rather which work order created which invoice. And you can even see, scrolling further down, we pass through the subject as well as description of that work order so that there is transparency around the work that was done while the technician was on site. Using an integration such as this makes it easy for your team to stay up to date and current with all of your outstanding invoices that you need in order to help sustain your business based off of the work that your field service team is doing.